when you hire a company to do your website and all those little details that matter, right? When I called a divorce attorney, I remember the different websites I had to click on. And some of them, it was like going on a scavenger hunt
Mm,
just to try to get through.
yeah.
And then another one, which was the one that I ended up hiring, had the phone number listed where I could just click on it.
Mm,
And I clicked on it, I gave them a call, and then they also had a contact us form. And so, from the prospective new client side of things, it is so important to have someone doing that for you because it is very time consuming to look at all those little details. But then what happens in the background? Once you make that sale, what now? Do you have someone that immediately dials out? Do you have a follow up system? Do you have your automations in place where they're getting calendar reminders? What's happening behind the scenes where, a company like Spotlight, they've done all the front end work. Now what?
mm-hmm. Absolutely, and I was about to actually say that's where you guys and we come in to play, right? Is that um, a lawyer might not think about the minute details that have to go into certain things, like for example the positioning of different things on a website, right? That plays a big effect, that plays a part in the whole thing, like staying in touch and how quickly you get back to a customer that's calling, or or following up. That plays a big deal in terms of timing. So it's like all these things that are so minute, right? But they make a big difference. And I think going back to what we were saying before, about how we both are passionate about helping lawyers because they help people, so they can spend more time helping people because that's what they do best. Whereas leave the minute details to us because that's what we do best.